Here are some tips and tricks to managing your credit score. Understanding how your credit score is calculated and the factors that impact it will keep you on track for excellent credit. Here are the FICO score metrics. So let's understand the FICO score metrics. 35% of it is your payment history. Make sure you're staying up to date on all outstanding loan payments and credit card bills. If you miss a payment, notify your creditors right away and try to pay it as soon as possible. 30% of it is amounts owed. The amount of debt you take on and whether you're paying it on time will affect your credit score. Think student loans, mortgages, car payments, etc. 50% is length of credit history. Those with a lengthier credit histories have had more time to prove that they pay back loans and bills. If you're a new borrower, don't worry, this one improves with time. 10% of it is types of credit in use. A healthy mix of credit can help improve your score. That's why closing on old, unused credit cards could slightly reduce your score. 10% is new credit accounts. If you recently added a credit, like opening a mortgage, financing a new car, or received multiple third-party credit checks, your credit score might drop a few points. Staying on top of your credit score is very useful. There are free programs out there that you can check. You can access these free credit reports directly through credit bureaus like Equifax or TransUnion. I hope you find these tips and tricks helpful. Make sure to comment, like, or subscribe.